Our video is about how to find the area of complex shapes using formulas.
How do you find the area of a square and a rectangle?
The area of a square is length squared or length times width, because the square has 4 equal sides, whereas a rectangle is length times width because the 2 alternative sides are the same length as well as the other 2 which are alternative as well.
Oh, okay, thanks for that.
No problem.
Do you find the area of a triangle just like you do for the square and rectangle?
No, because a triangle is exactly half of a square, so you do half times the base multiplied by the height. You don't multiply the base times the length because it's on an angle, so you go straight down from the middle.
Oh, okay. Thanks for that. And how many different types of triangles are there?
4. There's a scalene, which no angles and lengths of the sides are the same. An equilateral, when all the angles and sides are the same. An isosceles, when 2 angles and lengths are the same. And a right angled triangle, which has a right angle in the middle and the triangle goes straight up.
Oh, okay. Thanks for that. Do you find the area of a trapezium just like the square and the rectangle, or do you find it like the triangle?
With the trapezium, it's a different shape together because you've got to add the 2 lengths at the top and the bottom, divide it by 2 so you get the average, and then multiply it by the height.
Oh, okay. I'll use that for my next test.
So how do you find the area of this shape?
Well, this shape isn't even a shape, it's an irregular shape. So you have to break it up into triangles, rectangles and trapeziums like we showed you, so like this. As you can see, I've broken up the irregular shape into squares, rectangles, triangles and trapeziums. So once you've figured it out using the formulas I showed you, you should get a rough estimation of how large this shape really is.
Oh, thank you, that really helps. But still, how do you find the area of this shape?
I've gotten the lengths on here. We've just got to find the area of each shape and then add them all together. A, it is a rectangle, so you multiply the length times width, the length being 4 and the width being 5, so you multiply them both together to get 20. Now I'm going to find the area of all these shapes from A to G. As you can see, I found all of the areas for each shape in centimetres squared.
So is that the area of the shape?
No, I've got to add them all together to get a rough estimation of how large the shape is.
Okay, thank you.
We find the area of this shape using a TSA or a total surface area, which adds all the areas of our shapes of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G, which equals 20 plus 22 plus 12 plus 6 plus 72 plus 8 plus 27, which gives us a TSA of 167 centimetres squared.
Thank you, that is so interesting.
These kinds of complex shapes are around us everywhere in nature, on trees, on bushes, in sea, everywhere. This is how they found the area of the Deepwater Horizon oil spill being 117,539 kilometres squared.